As Jamaica's focus begins to shift towards the start of the Qatar 2022 World Cup qualifying campaign, it is evident see a whole heap of trouble there. In addition to problems with getting some of the England-based players and having no fans in the national stadium, General Secretary Dalton Wint is now refusing to rule out playing some of Jamaica's home games outside of Jamaica. What a sad state of affairs, and spare a thought for the Jamaican coaching staff and the players trying to keep their eyes on the prize right now. It appears Coach Tapper Whitmore will have to pick one squad for the Mexico game, change up that squad for the Panama game, and then change the squad again for the Costa Rica game. Again though, the worst thing that can happen is that we start using these challenges as excuses. My thing is that right now, we have a very good crop of players. We don't know what will happen in the next World Cup cycle and the next World Cup cycle. We don't know how good the team will be in another 2 years or another 4 years. We're in a moment right now where relative to the other teams in CONCACAF, we stand a very good chance of qualifying for the World Cup. So if it means getting those home points in Florida or in Canada or in New York or in Grand Cayman, well, so be it. No excuses.